Hello friends, so welcome to our channel study guide. As you know friends, we are working on the crash RRB group D crash course. Okay, so today morning we have given a set of questions from chemistry and the general science section. So this is our class 2. So let us move to our second session. Our second session consists of again 10 questions. Okay, so these questions are very important for the perspective of the railway group D examination, and of course you will be provided the other classes of the for the railway group D. Okay, first question is, which are the known as the inner transition element? Which of the groups are known as inner transition element? They are a block element or transition element, that lanthanides and actinides. Okay, lanthanides and the actinides are known as inner transition element. Next, lanthanide series are also known as rare earth element. Lanthanide series are also known as rare earth element. Next, general structure of lanthanides. Okay, this is very important. General structure of lanthanides is a 4F series. Okay, yeah, how can you remember? You can remember there is a 4F, and in F series okay, it will be 58 to 71. Okay, 58, 59, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 69, 68, 69, 70, 71. Okay, there will be 10, 12, 14. Okay, it will be 58. Okay, so the lanthanides are 4F elements. Okay, 4F 1 to 14. There may be maximum number of lanthanides are 14, because F block element can be 14. Okay, first the 4F will be filled up, then the 5D, and then the 6S. Okay, the structure will be like that. Okay, you have to remember by the 4F. How number of element in the lanthanide series? 14. Why? Because the maximum 14 elements can be in the F block. Okay, F block can 1 to 14. So the lanthanides can have 58 to 71. No need to remember all those things, but you have to remember the general structure. Okay, it may be asked, and it is also very important for your RRB group this RRB CBT 2. Okay, next, the general structure for the actinides general structure: 5F 1 to 14, 6D 0 to 1, 7S2, that is 90 to 103. Okay, again the 14 elements. Okay, now this series would be 5F, this series would be 5F. Next, number of the elements in the actinide series, that is 14, maximum 14 element in the F block. Okay, try to remember all those things, all the questions we are preparing for the RRB group D and also for your RRB ALP and technician. Okay, so right now the group D is very soon, so we are preparing on the group D, and when the group D will be completed, then we will be preparing for the RRB CBT2 and complete preparation. Next, if we move top to bottom in a group of the periodic table, the atomic radius. Okay, very important questions for the RRB group D. Okay, don't try to remember these things. Okay, don't try to remember these things, because if you try to memorize, you will be you forget. Okay, if we move top to bottom, okay, if we move downwards in a periodic table, try to remember one thing: if we move downwards in the periodic table, then the atomic radius increases. And the next question is, if we move top to bottom in a group of the periodic table, then the atomic radius increases. Why? Okay, you should also know the reason. The reason is, in the outer elements the electrons are adding. Okay, we are adding the electrons in the outer shell. Okay, as we are adding the electrons, the atomic radius of the electron increases. Okay, so if we move top to bottom, the atomic radius increases. If we move bottom to top, atomic radius decreases. Okay, next, if we move right to left, if we move right to left, okay, left to right, it should be. So if we move left to right in the periodic table, okay, period in the periodic table, okay, move in the periods, okay, from the left to right, then the atomic radius will decreases. And again you have to know the reasons why the atomic radius decreases. Okay, if we move left to right in the periodic table, then the atomic radius decreases. And why? Because the electrons are also added here, but they are added in the same orbital. Okay, they are added in the same orbital, but there is also one thing is happening: their proton is also increasing. Okay, so the attraction force in the center, by the center, is increasing, As a result, if we move left to right, the atomic radius decreases. If we move left to right, the atomic radius decreases, and if we move right to left, atomic radius increases along a period. Okay, I have combined both of them in a group. Top to bottom decreases, left to top to bottom increases. Okay, top to bottom increases and left to right decreases. Okay, try to remember these 2 points. This question will be asked in your RRB exam, and definitely, okay, this will be the definite question for the RRB Group D exam. And I hope in any one of the set, I don't know about the set, which one we don't know, but we have to study all around the group. Okay, the pattern for the RRB general science. Okay, what is the pattern? They follow the pattern. Some of papers, okay, 25 questions. In some set there will be 15 questions from the chemistry. Okay, in some set there will be 15 questions from the biology, and in some set 15 questions from the physics. Okay, so any of us, we do not know about which set is going to come maximum number of questions from maximum area. Okay, so keep practicing and take your preparation level up to the top point where you can succeed. Okay, then thank you for watching. If you are watching our video and you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel for the latest update. Thank you.